Well, today we're going to talk about interesting sights that we get to see through the windshield driving down the road. A lot of times never get to have time to stop and check them out, look around, stuff like that, but there is times we do. Coming up here to Tupelo, Mississippi, where Elvis Presley was born, raised, before he started his career. He even drove truck for a little while. I guess it was a straight truck there, but it was still a truck. And earlier, about 90 miles behind me there, I was about 5 miles from Graceland there, where Elvis Presley lived and got his museum and all that stuff back there. But like I was saying, we do get to see a lot of interesting things through the windshield driving down the road, no matter, day to day. Like I was saying, there's a lot of times we don't get the time to stop to look around, check them out. A lot of them ain't got the tractor trailer parking for the facilities for us. And if we do have time, stop, get a car, rent a taxi, get a taxi cab or whatever. But there is time, we get to see a lot of places like that where they do have tractor trailer parking for us and stuff. And, or either just bobtail. But like I said, this is the best part about being a truck driver over the road. You get to see a lot of interesting things. And the whole country, and no matter what part of the country you're in, there's a beautiful part of it. And so be safe. Bye.